Music, music, music. Every human loves music. I mean, it's universal language. Today we have a very interesting tool called Riffusion. Riffusion is also a very good replacement of Suno, and this is absolutely free too. We will learn how you can produce songs like this.
Private rooms in VIP passes.
This. And this.
Watching colors fade in the west. Your last text still on my...
So stay tuned till the end of the video. And I have no experience with a lot of music, so I'll create by one in front of you, and you'll see how we can create crazy amount of music with the help of Riffusion. First of all, let's talk about Riffusion. Like, it leverages a fine-tuned version of the Stable Diffusion model to generate spectrogram images from textual description, which are then converted into audio clips. This approach allows users to create music by simply inputting descriptive text, making music creation accessible for both an experienced musician or a newbie. So this is Aditya and you're watching SkillCurb. First, let's talk about some key features that I really like about Riffusion. Like, users can input descriptive text prompts specifying details like instruments, genre, mood, and other musical characteristics, and Riffusion will generate corresponding audio clips. I think if there's a person who knows a little bit about music, chorus, and some different strings, then it can be more beneficial if they use Riffusion. Riffusion operates in real time, allowing users to generate and modify music instantly. This feature is powered by Stable Diffusion algorithm, ensuring that music AI is both consistent and high quality, and the platform also offers extensive customization options like enabling users to adjust settings to create varied musical outcomes, including the ability to generate music across a wide range of genres such as jazz, funk, blues, hip-hop. Users can also personalize instruments and sounds within their composition, providing a unique touch to each piece. Since music is also very unique stuff, so it's also important to have a unique touch in your own music. Riffusion also utilizes spectrogram's visual representation of audio frequency as the basis of music generation, converting these images back into sound. This method enables generation of music on the fly. You can create dynamic, interactive experience for users. Now let's talk about how Riffusion works, because before using a tool, you need to know how this works so you can better use it. Riffusion operates by converting text prompts into spectrograms, which are visual representation of sound. It uses a modified version of Stable Diffusion version 1.5 model, trained on spectrogram images to generate new spectrograms based on text inputs. These spectrograms are then converted back into audio using an inverted short-time Fourier transformation, and the app allows for real-time generation and interpolation between different prompts, creating a continuous stream of AI-generated music. Users can also input description of musical style, instrument, or even specify lyrics, and Riffusion will produce corresponding audio clips. So this is the main screen and main interface of Riffusion is on the beta right now. If you don't know the meaning of beta, it means it's experimental and it's not open for publicly. So it means that all the things are now here is experimental. Let's see one by one each step how we can use this tool. On the top side, you can see generate button, which we'll talk about later on how you can compose and generate lyrics, music with the help of AI. Here you can search music, and the top left corner, you can see the main menu of your account. On the theme side, I prefer the dark one. You can choose your light one. Here the model, there are 4 models like 0.6, 7, 8A. I would say go for 8 because it's the latest and the greatest one. The setting is all about moderate lyrics. If you enable this option, means you will not have any explicit word in your creation and generation. So if you want to make a music which should not have any explicit version and lyrics and composition, you can just on it. If you don't want that, if you don't like clean lyrics at all, you can just disable it. For now, I'm enabling it. Here you can learn more about careers, blog and stuff. Now this is the left navigation bar where you can see 5 options: home, library, profile, personalized, playlist. We'll visit each one by one. On the home side, you can see there are so many already generated music. Let's play another city. Let's play some music and see how they are looking.
Private rooms in VIP passes. Quit them recklessly. For that you leave it.
Okay, the lyrics seem solid, like literally solid with the beat and drop. They look almost real as real. Now explore this song, which is called Checkmate. With with the remix option, you can cover it, you can extend the version. Like if there's a song which is half, you want to extend the song, you can just extend it. You can replace some lyrics, you can use the prompt to enhance it or modify it. You can share it, you can like it, add in your own library, you can add in your own playlist, and you can even download it. So this personalized option is now disabled since it's in beta mode, but it will available soon as it goes publicly. So what this personalized tab does is it collects your music taste. Like if you are a guy who listens more about sad music, so it will just collect and generate sad music just for you, all the unique with the help of AI. So it's a very unique feature that almost any music app lacks. Now let's go to generate button and let's generate some music, which is the cache of this video. So now you can compose your lyrics, you can add some lyrics, you can also describe the sound and the vibe, spacey, echo, smooth, emotional vocal. You can use this random option to fill this. If you don't know much about the music, you can always use a random option. Now let's go to the prompt section, and here you can create the music you can imagine. You can even use random prompt if you don't know what to prompt. Like for example, high octane drum bass with rapid breakfast and loop chill loop. Let's see how it goes. Let's click on generate. And it started generating the music. Alright, now we have the generated music and let's see how it goes.
Sitting at the station again, watching colors fade in the west. Your last text still on my screen, but I can't find.
Alright, the music seems pretty solid, like the lyrics, the music, everything seems so well. And you can see on the top it's generated by my account 2 minutes ago. So it's kind of pretty solid. You can click on publish too to publish it, and it's already published now in the gallery. Now if you want to add some lyrics, you can add your compose your own lyrics too. Now if you want more customization, you can always click on advanced button. Now let's explore each option one by one. So this is the prompt for the sound, like female rappers, family groups. Now this is called strength. Make sure it always stay balanced. You can always add sounds like different prompt. You can add more sound one by one, but I won't recommend it. Now here this is lyrics strength. The more you make it high, the more the lyrics will be strong. And make sure the weirdness always stay balanced, like at -1. After that you can click on generate button. If you want someone else audio, just click on that. If you're using someone's audio, make sure you have the rights to upload their audio and use them in your song. For example, today we are using On and On, which is a free song by No Copyright Song. So it's a copyright free song. Let's use this song to know how the Riffusion works with the AI. Alright, the song has been downloaded and let's generate the song. First of all, we'll have to go to the compose section, and now let's upload the song. We have successfully uploaded the song. Now time for transcribing lyrics. So it's transcribing lyrics. It may take some little time. And here we can see all the lyrics by the song. It's transcribing which very correctly, and it's very surprisingly how it can cover the entire song in just a few seconds. Now it will take a little time. The best thing about Riffusion is it takes much time when it comes to generating a good song. Alright, now we have the song. Let's hear it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on beating us. Your love is your whenever trust, yeah. Oh, to waste that to rest.
The song sounds pretty hard, and you can now see the Riffusion's power, how it can actually take someone else's song and sound and can create your own version, your own lyrics, your own cover. So in a summary, if I say so, Riffusion stands at the forefront of AI-driven music creation, offering users the ability to produce unique audio clips by simplifying inputting text, description, or lyrics. And its innovative approach to music create can benefit for both musicians and non-musicians alike, serving as a powerful tool for inspiration and creativity. So if you like this video, do not forget to share it. And If you want such more content, just subscribe.